In the one-horse open sleigh, all the things we've known